rear brakes. What year, make, and model?
2012 Tiguan.
2012 Tiguan. We got 13. 13 and what?
15 holds the slider. Don't take anything apart. Making a loud squeaking noise every time they back up.
Making a loud squeaking.
Could keep going a little more if you want.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
$14 triple square. I can't see it. There we go.
Pop the T30s. I like to get everything off first.
Pop the T30. This guy right there. It's kind of crazy that you got to pull these 14s off, the 14 triple squares, to get the rear pads off.
The open rear parking brake. There you go. It's open. Compress it. Pull the boot. Let it recompress itself. Put that out of the way. This is what's causing the noise, obviously.
Only do that if you're replacing the rotor. Installing the rotor, held on with a T30. Installing the carrier, held on by 2 triple square 14s. What do you call these little guys?
Anti-squeal clips, anti-rattle clips.
Installing the pads.
2 new 13s.
2 new 13s. $13 and a $15.
Yep.
Alrighty, those pads are looking pretty beat. Pair of vice grips. Be careful with your seal.
Put that off in a second.
Installing the rotor. Held on with a T30. Installing the carrier. Installing the anti-squeak clips. Pads. Are they both the same, or are there
These all 4 pads are the same on this
all
one.
4 are the same? Installing the caliper. Installing 2 13s. And I was saying earlier, it's a 15 he uses, but it's a snap-on 15, so it tends to be a little bit thinner. I personally had a 15 for myself, and it was too thick. Installing the 2 triple square 14s. I don't know if I'll be able to see it. Moving the sticker.
This is
Bad
so,
place
so
to put
stupid. Thank Volkswagen for this. Probably gonna hurt anything, but it'd be better if it was, you know, perfect. Go on the parking brake. Lining mode active. Basic settings. After.
There you go. Ball coat's gone, you're all set.